Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. I'm pretty excited to unbox this one. This is by Hot Wheels and this is from their Motorshow series. And so these are the cars inside: Renault Sport RS 01 and 2013 SRT Viper, Aston Martin Vulcan, and Jaguar XC Project 8, and my favorite Lamborghini Sesto Elemento. So let's get this unboxed and see how it looks. Okay, let's go one by one. Here is the Renault Sport RS. Here it is, guys. Just changed my video angle to get a better view for you guys. Hope it is clear for you now. This looks absolutely amazing. The white is really awesome. Hot Wheels never had any suspension, but it's fine. So this looks really nice. Okay, let's get to the second one. So here is the Viper. This looks okay. It's not that great, but it looks okay. The lights are painted as usual. Okay, so here is the next one, the Aston Martin Vulcan. The spoiler is really so big and really looks crazy. Okay, we can't able to see the interior, but it still looks really nice. The paint job is really awesome. And the rims looks really cool in this one. And this one is okay, but I personally like this one. And Viper's one is, it's basically a default Hot Wheels car's rim. So yeah. Okay, let's get to the next one. Here is the Jaguar. Okay, this color looks absolutely amazing. So I'm personally a sucker for this purple color. So if you remember, we unboxed the Nissan Premium Edition by Majorette. I know that looks closer to this color. So it's literally right there. This one. So that looks really amazing. And I personally like this glittery paint job. It gives some kind of cool character to the car. Wow, this looks really nice. And this one, the spoiler is actually metal, but In the Aston Martin Vulcan it is actually plastic, and in the Renault it is actually, okay, this one is metal. That's cool. Okay, last but not least, and my personal favorite, the Sesto Elemento, the sixth element. Okay, the spoiler is actually metal, which I personally love. Wow, the rims looks really amazing. It looks really cool. This is unique. Honestly, out of 5, I rate 10 out of 10 for the Sesto Elemento. Not because I am a Lamborghini fan, but compared to all these 4, this has some unique rims, and the entire body is actually metal, and the color scheme really pops. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit a thumbs up. If you love my video, subscribe. So it would be a great help if you guys subscribe and support me, so consider subscribing. And thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.